Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you how to improve your speaking skill using a short story again, or English in situation with uses have to or has to. We use have to or has to express necessity. Have to or has to should be followed by verb 1. We use have to for I, you, we, and they. And we use has to for he, she, and it. Now, to improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully and repeat sentence by sentence. You should try to memorize it, then retell it. In the end, I will ask you some question about it. Are you ready? Now please listen and repeat after me, sentence by sentence. Mike Brodsky has to get up early this morning. He has to go to school. He has to take an examination today. But he is thinking about Jackie. Where is Jackie? I have to take an examination today. I have to answer a lot of questions. But how can I? Is Jackie alright? I'm always thinking about her. Alright, now please listen again and repeat after me, sentence by sentence, then try to memorize it. Okay? Mike Brodsky has to get up early this morning. He has to go to school. He has to take an examination today. But he is thinking about Jackie. Oh my God, I have to take an examination today. I have to answer a lot of questions. But how can I? Where is Jackie? Is he alright? Well, now, do you still remember this story? Well, now please answer my questions. Does Mike Brodsky have to get up early today? Question number 2. Does he have to take an examination today? Well, the next question please. Is he thinking about Jackie? Well, does he have to go to school today? Well, what is Mike Brodsky thinking? Okay, well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.